Welcome to being way too up close and personal with my face, but we're in the original filming position because apparently this is a bit better. This video is encouraged by Meg from work. There are multiple Megs in this universe, but you're the one who's a bad influence on my bank account. But I'm a bad influence in yours, so I guess we're kind of even. And she's been encouraging me today, and yesterday, and half of last week, and most of the past few months, to buy something from Violet Voss. And then make a video with this palette. Because we talk about YouTube at work because, well, there's not much else in my life that I really do. I'm pretty lazy. And she's got a lot. And she loves Violet Voss. So I thought I would test out one of her favourite makeup brands because it was on sale. Now my packaging may look a bit battered, literally around here, but I did break into it at work before I thought, oh, I can do a video on this. It even comes with instructions. I'm gonna try and zoom you in. It's got instructions on how to use this thing. It's pretty sweet. But I'm gonna open that. It has got tape on it. It was an absolute pain to get into for people who get into packaging all day at work. One day I'll talk about my job. Okay. And then it's got a cardboard thing inside. And if I can get into it, comes out like that. 2 bits of cardboard. Part of the reason I brought them home was so they were going in the recycling, not just the work bin. Now, it looks like this on the top, that's upside down. Comes with a lovely bit of plastic that says Violet Voss Pro on it, which I'm assuming is pretty generic. And look how bloody beautiful this is. Now, I'm a fan of purple, so this row is literally calling my name, but so are these more warm, just shimmers. Lucy, who you'll see in a video at some point soon, or mentioned, it's coming, was just eyeing up this row of shimmers right here. And I really can't blame her in the slightest. It's just beautiful. It's got 7 mattes and the rest are pretty shimmery. Now this does cost you a pretty penny. This was £43 full price, which is the same price as the Urban Decay palette, which I do have a couple of, I'm not gonna lie. But I did get 20% off because of the palette deal they had on BeautyBay, so it was £34 instead. Judge me as much as you want. I work 9 to 5, and yes, I am in a Star Wars onesie. I am dressed as a Wookiee because my house is freezing and I can't bother to turn up the heating, but I have got coffee. So, I'm gonna get shit on my face, and don't judge my base too much. I've had this on for 10 hours. I know it isn't looking the best, but it is after work, hence the shit light. And the fact that I'm getting emails telling me, buy our stuff. I can't afford to buy your stuff, I just spent a lot of money on BeautyBay. Let's start. Now, I'm gonna go in my normal brush. If you wanna see what my normal everyday go-to makeup routine is, click up here. I'll try and link it. If I haven't, have a go at me down in the comments, because there's like 8 of you so far. I'm so proud of me. Ooh, what do I start with? I'm going to use this shade right here, called Sauce, as in light tomato sauce. And if you wonder, I've got a mirror right here, you can kind of see the edge of it over here. And I'm sat on the floor in front of my bookcase. And I am gonna absolutely try to be in focus the entire time, because I know I'm being pretty bad at that, but I'm a rookie, I haven't used this that much. So I'm gonna go with Sauce, I'm gonna tap it twice. My upstairs neighbour's phone just keeps vibrating, and it's not mine because I'm not that popular. All I've got is an email saying, buy our jeans. So that blends pretty beautifully, I would say. Now, I'm not expecting it to be sharp like a bright purple on my eyelid, but you can definitely tell it's there. So I'm gonna go for something dramatic because I'm being dramatic. I'm in a Wookiee onesie, and genuinely the only person who's going to see me this evening is Ross. And Ross has seen me with a literal rainbow going from here to here. Then I'm going to go in with the GOAT, or GOAT, this shade right next to my finger. Not the orange one, the one next to it. I'm going to do tap. And I'm just going, I don't know if GOAT's a reference to something. That is kind of really nice. I see why you like this, Megan. Now, I'm just gonna go in I'm going with TBT, which is Throwback Thursday, I'm guessing, or Throwback Tuesday, whatever you want. So I'm gonna go just literally just tap that in. I'm gonna get a bit more on my brush, and there we go, there's pigment. I love purple. I never used to be a fan of it, and now I love it. And I have a very weirdly shaped eye. I know, what eyelids. But that's a story for another day. And for those of you wondering, yes, these are very buildable shadows. They haven't gone patchy yet. There's a motorbike outside. I'm going to adjust this a bit. Is that any better? I really love that colour. No, I'm going to go in with a bit more of Goat, that mid-browny colour. Just to really try and deepen up that outer corner. Give it a bit of depth and dimension. Cock it up a bit because that's what I'm good at. So I do with most things in my life. Don't be put off by my self-deprecating jokes. I am one of those people. Then with a nice clean brush, I'm just gonna take a bit more of Throwback Thursday. Damn! Megan, you're a really bad influence, but I get it. I really get it now. Now, I'm gonna go in with a touch of Sauce and Goat. Literally, I just touched the palette. Run that along my lower lash line. I'm gonna get literally one of these brushes. It's one from the Naked Cherry palette. A touch of TBT and run that along my lash line to make sure it joins up with the kind of wing thing I've done. I'm gonna get a bit more of Goat, and is there any other darker shade? No, just get some Goat and just tap that in. Or stamp it into the outer corner. I'm gonna use this lovely duochromy purpley, I don't know what shade here, called Relevant. Took my finger in it. Look how stunning this is. Oh, that's beautiful. There's been so little fallout with this as well, which is amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. Then with my finger again, I'm going to go in with Petty as Fuck, which is this shade just here. And put that in towards the outer corner, kind of creating a gradient. Then I'm going to go back with my brush from earlier, bit of TBT, blend the shimmers in, I'm going to go with a bit of Goat. I really get this Violet Voss love. I really do. Now I'm going to sort out some liner, some lashes and some lip. I'll be back with you for highlight because there's something I would like to show you all. So I've stuck some shit on my face. By shit I mean fake eyelashes. And I've stuck some lipstick on. It is one of the lip lingeries. I can't remember what shade. I will go find out. Because I'm not that smart. I'm back. It is in Cashmere Silk. Looks like this. It looks beautiful, don't it? And I know my face looks bloody grim. I just spent the last 10 minutes contemplating how bad my face looks compared to how good how dubiously stuck on my fake eyelashes are, because this is the second time I've ever worn fake eyelashes. So give me some credit when you criticise me down in the comments. Now, if you want to know what they are, it is the Eyelaw London ones in Aurora 3D Foam Ink. They're pretty funky. I like them. They make my lashes look pretty. And for highlight, I got this. The Jeffree Star Platinum Ice highlighter palette. because I've wanted a Jeffree Star highlight for ages, and I got one a couple of years back. And it's just a bit too pink because I got one that was on offer and it wasn't necessarily the right colour for me. I've got a little bit of something stabbing me in the eye, but what's new? I can wear contacts every day. It looks like this. Check out these stunning highlighters. Now, I know there's a purple that's a bit out there, and a green that's a bit out there, and a blue that's a bit out there, but let's be real, apart from the purple and the green, I could happily wear any of these. But we're using the highlighter brush. I'm going to give it a bit of a clean off, because I swatched these at work and they're bloody beautiful. And I'm going to go in with, oh, what one do I want to go in with? Oh, they all look so pretty. I'm going to go in with Ice Cold, which is this one right here next to the blue. Dear God, that's beautiful. Oh, that's what I wanted in a highlighter when I bought the other one. Oh, it's so bloody pretty. And bear in mind this is under electric lights, not softbox lights. Or anything like that. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna add a touch, literally a touch of lavender, the purple one. I love it. I'm gonna find the teeny tiny brush, which I always bloody lose. I really need to find a new one of these. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Pink Chill, which is the pinkish coloured one. This one right here. I'll get a tap of it. Oh, I love that highlight. And it would look so much better if my makeup was fresh on. But you win some, you lose some. If you know the fact my hair is grimmer than Grimtown itself, and the lighting pretty shit, I think this is a pretty successful look, because I love the eyeshadow so much. And I love the highlight so much. And I found a pretty sweet lipstick in my huge collection of lipsticks. Welcome to handheld mode. So I'm going to give you a bit of a close-up and personal with a bit of better lighting. I'm stood up, hence why it's a bit shaky. So this highlighter is dope. Now I'm sorry that my skin is a bit ratchet, but as I may have mentioned earlier, I've been wearing this for 10 hours now. So my eyeliner, don't judge me. So it's really eyeshadow really glittery, blended so well. The most dodgy thing about this is my ability to glue on lashes, but I'll get there in the end, right? And it's just seamless. I mean, I'm trying to stick this down, but it'll get there eventually. But I love the highlight. I know it's not about the highlight, but I love the highlight. And I just love the eyeshadow. I need to practice my eyeliner more, I know, but I love the eyeshadow so much. Now, if you've got any video suggestions, let me know down in the comments. Subscribe, because I know you probably haven't subscribed. A big thumbs up, because it really helps me out, because I know what you like. And then I can create more content, what you like. And you know the drill. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week for another look where I hopefully won't look as ratchet as this. Let's be real, I look pretty rank. Bye!